ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ, ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Dear children, welcome to the E-Samveda classes, class 9th. Samveda classes. Third language English, class 9. Dear children, before going to the lesson, we are going to some proverb, that is, help yourself and God will help you, and pray with love and trust that God always answers prayers, by Oliver Twist. Okay, children, before going to the lesson, we have some motivational activities. See the picture, what you are going to observe. Okay, look at the picture and reply the questions. So, what do you see in the picture? The man has missed the bus. Okay, next. Dear children, another activity. See the picture. A old woman is crossing on the road and the children helping. Okay, what do you see in the picture? The girl is helping the old woman to cross the road. See the picture and observe it. Dear students, what happened to the child in the picture? The child fell down from the bicycle. You are observing the bicycle and children fell down. Okay? See the picture, what you are going to observe? The helping hand. Okay, so help to the others. What do you see in the picture? What does he need? He is in trouble. Okay, a laborer is working hard and he needs some help. Question number 4, Hercules and the car driver, scene 1. The car driver is going to carrying the bundles of the luggage on the cart. Okay, pre-reading activity. Explain what you would do in the following situations. We are coming to school. You are coming to school on bicycle and the tire was punctured. Tire gets punctured. Okay, you will get help to others to be right time in school. Second one, you miss the bus when you are coming to school. So what you do? You expected help from others. Third one, you have passed 10th standard in the first class, but you don't have money to continue the studies. So what do? You ask help to others to continue the study. So now going to the Hercules and the car driver, a beautiful drama or play. Okay, now here is a story where the car driver is facing the similar situation. Okay, earlier we watched some pictures, but they are in trouble, how they get ridden to the trouble. Okay, now let's know the story. Okay, open the textbooks. I am going to read the scene 1. You observe following the lines. Okay, carefully. A cart driver sits weeping and wailing by the wayside. His cart, carrying a big load of bundles, is stuck in the mud. Okay, again, cart driver, O Hercules, god of strength, O strong one, please come to my help. Only you can lift my cart out for me. Have pity on the poor man and come. He prays, weeps, and falls asleep. He wakes up to see his side. Tall stranger, is anything the matter? Car driver, see for yourself. Good sir, my cart is stuck. The back wheels have gone deep down into the mud, and my bullocks cannot pull the cart out. Next page. The tall stranger, how long have you been sitting here? Car driver, 1, 2, 3 hours. Hardly, no. I prayed for help. I wait. I fell asleep. I woke up again. Tall stranger, is that all? Nothing more. Haven't you tried to get the cart out? Now next, turn the page. Car driver, what can do? Sir, some since cock crew, I have been on the road. It rained. The road was rough and muddy, and it was heavy going all along. How tired was I? How tired my poor bullocks were, but we went on. Then came this very muddy patch. The wheels went down in the mud every time, but still the bullocks pulled. At last we were stuck fast. As you can see, I could do nothing, sat and prayed. Again, tall stranger, the rain may have left a good pool somewhere. Look now, they were free. The bullocks are going off by themselves. They will find a pool and drink and munch some grass too from under the trees. Now you and I will lighten the cart. We will put the bundles under the tree. The cart driver does not like the idea. Car driver, take off all these bundles, sir. Tall stranger, yes, come along. We must be careful to put them the dry places. Car driver, oh sir, empty the entire load and reload the cart again. Tall stranger, let us save our breath for the work we have to do. It's easier that way. So you are listen. So, now you are listen the entire lesson, scene 1. Okay, you have some doubts also. I clarify that you having some new words. See the new words, going to the new words. Okay, wail, weep, pity, mercy, munch, eat steadily, cock crew, early morning, daybreak, entire, total, complete. See the pictures? See, weeping picture is there. and munch. A rabbit is munching some grass. Cock crew, early morning, sunrise. See, the pictures are there, good. Okay, are you following, children? So next we go to the next one. So I think I read the play, you understand something. So now I am going to explain the complete scene 1 in briefly, better to understand you. Okay, so what happened? First, co-driver prays to Hercules, god of strength, to help him. He weeps, falls asleep. See, the stranger came. The stranger sees the strong man. How he is strong. His hands and his thighs, his chest, he is the strong man. He can do anything. The tall stranger, we call him the tall stranger, came and asked him what the matter was. Okay. Car driver told that, see the picture, the cart is stuck into the mud. Two wheels are stuck. Okay, middle. Okay, the car driver praised the God. Okay, car driver told that his cart was stuck. The wheels had gone deep into the mud and bullocks could not put the cart out. Tall stranger asked him how long he had been waiting, whether he had tried to cut out. Okay, children. Now you are going to another picture. See what the bullocks are going. They are munching heavy rain. Water is, you are seeing the water flow. How can the bullocks pull the cart? See, cart driver told that he and his bullocks tried very hard to get the wheels out of the mud, but due to heavy rain means, okay, so heavy rains, okay, so it is heavy, too much rain. Heavy rain means too much rain. The fields are going to water, okay, but heavy rains fall, the wheels stuck deep inside the mud. That's why he sat there and prayed him. See, the another picture is there. See, the tall stranger suggested him that the bullocks were going off themselves. They were feeling thirsty, would find a pool and drink water and munch some grass. So they would put the bundles under the tree. But car driver did not like that idea. See what the idea told stranger. So your bullocks are weighing the bundles and stuck into the mud. But so he give the stranger what the idea. So remove the free from the bullocks from the cart, and they are also getting very thirsty. They are trying and also hunger. So the stranger told the car driver that remove the bullocks and they drink water and munch some green grass and they get the strength and pull the cart. Okay, but the car driver did not like that idea. What happened? See next. But the stranger explained, or he suggested him, so the car driver agreed to remove or free the bullocks from the cart. At last, the car driver and the tall stranger decided to unload the cart and keep the bundles in dry place. By that idea, they decided to take some rest. So, both of tall stranger and car driver both wanted to remove the bundles and put into the dry place. Okay, see, dear student, so I think you understand the session 1, what happened in the, okay, we are going to the some grammar part, okay, so that is past tense, okay. What is past tense? You know, earlier in the 8th, 7th standard, you know the tenses, okay, very well. So, I going to present the past tense something, okay. What is tense? Tense indicates the time of an action. Kinds of the tense: present tense, past tense, future tense. Today we study about the past tense. I know you are well known about these tenses in the previous classes, but now the lesson having this grammar points, and we discuss that one. Past tense is an action. What is past tense? Past tense is an action which is completed. So, which is completed means which is over. Okay. So, now, so past tense, again the past tense is divided into 4 subtenses. First one, simple past. Second one, past continuous tense. Third one, past perfect tense. Fourth one, past perfect continuous tense. See how many types are there? Past tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Okay? You are understanding better, I think. Past tense again. Common features of the simple past tense. Today we are discussing about the 4 types of past tenses. Okay, so we discuss about only the simple past tense. Okay, it may be the room of the it may be in the form of affirmative or negative. The finite verb of the tense is past form, means V1, V2. Here V2. Okay, you better know the verb forms V1, V2, V3, V4. Okay, so it is V2 past tense. Simple past always come to the V2. It may use in the assertive WH questions. Okay, the past tense form use WH questions or yes or no questions, means confirmation questions, yes or no. So there the past simple past is used. Okay, next, its action of speech or sentence is past. Action means work. Okay, what the work is there? Oh, past. B form you know. Okay, B form of the present was, were, or the B form where the past tense, simple past tense are used. Okay, and had, where the had comes. Okay, there is simple past tense are used. Okay, now see the example for the simple past tense. He wrote a letter. Did he write a letter? Okay, see, why did he write a letter? He did not write a letter. Change the underlined words into the past tense. So, you are also open your textbooks and took a pencil or pen. Okay, there is a paragraph is there, okay, there is given some, okay, examples are there, one paragraph is there, we want some words are underlined, okay, the underlined words are changed into the simple past tense. So example are there, one examples are given there. Aunt Polly wanted to want, in there want is there, wanted to whitewash the fence. See the paragraph, I read the paragraph. Aunt Polly wants Tom to whitewash the fence, but Tom wants underlined, okay, to pass the time without doing anything. Tom decides, underline again, decides, okay, work, that is verb form, that he will also underline, not whitewash the fence. He thinks, underline, thinks of good plan. He plans, again plans, that when his friends come, okay, come also underline by, he will pretend, okay, pretend that he enjoys also underline, whitewashing the fence. Tom makes, okay, one word is there, makes, it is also verb, okay, underline that, them believe that, okay, he is having a lot of fun. His friends beg to be given a chance to whitewash the fence. Tom lets them to do it and cannot help laughter later. See, are you follow? Okay, are you underline the words that are the past tense form of the words? Now you want to change the words into simple present. Okay, see, I am going to give the answers for you. So write down the notebook. Okay, wanted, Aunt Polly wanted. So I can read full paragraph. Okay, I will read full paragraph. You can write down, note down. Aunt Polly wanted Tom to whitewash the fence, but Tom wanted to pass the time without doing anything. Tom decided that would not whitewash the fence. He thought of a good plan. He planned. Okay, underline. Okay, that when his friends come, okay, come that side, question, answer came, okay, by he would, okay, pretend that he enjoyed, okay, they enjoy, whitewashing the fence. Tom make is there before the paragraph make, now the paragraph made, okay, them believe that he is having a lot of fun. His friends beg to be given a chance to whitewash the fence. Tom lets them to do it and cannot be laughing later. Okay, are you understanding the past tense form? Okay, I think you better collection some more past tense form and okay, and write your notebook and check it. Okay, now after listening this lesson, I am going to evaluate you. So how you are understand, how you are understand the play. What the play is? Hercules and the car driver. So I am giving some questions for you. Okay, okay, you are giving some little bit questions are there. So in a word or a sentence, the first question is, who sits weeping and wailing by the wayside? Second question is, whom did he request to help? Third one is Mohan dash go, goes, went, gone. It is from past tense. To school yesterday. Which past tense is form is suitable? There you should write. Next, fourth one is why had the road become rough and muddy? Fifth one, where did they want to put the bundles? Who put the bundles? Car driver and the tall stranger. Okay, answers are giving. Okay, see the answers. First question answer. A car driver sits weeping and wailing by wayside. Second one, he requested Hercules, the god of strength, to help. Third one, when. Fourth one, because it had rained heavily. They wanted to put the bundles in the dry place. Okay? I think you are better understand this session. Now I am going to give you a little bit homework in the home and come tomorrow. Okay? So again you listen next session what happened. See, homework is there. Name the character of the play. This play, before starting the lesson, it is not a lesson, it is a play or drama. Okay, the dialogues are there. So, what are how many characters are there? Okay, so name that. Okay, second question, how did the car driver want to take rest? Third question, write the past tense forms of the following verbs. Here I am going to giving some verb forms. You write their past tense forms. Go. See children, here are some past tense forms are there. You write their following verbs. See, 1, go, come, struck. Fourth one, pray. Fifth one, sleep. I hope that you complete this homework and come tomorrow, and all the best.
अनुदिना